Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by with a super exciting announcement and a very fun and cute card. So you might have noticed from the video thumbnail, my exciting news is that I have been asked to join the Newton's Nook Inky Paws Challenge team. I took like 2 seconds before I said yes. I absolutely love Newton's Nook and all their fabulous products, and I am so excited about this announcement. I just can't wait to get busy and share some inspiration using all of their products on the challenge. I have linked in the description box below their challenge blog and their shop. Lots of cute, fun stuff in their shop. And it's not all cat themed, so there's dogs and flowers, and I really feel there's something for everyone. So if you've never heard of them before, definitely check it out. For my card today to announce my news, I thought there was no better fitting stamp set than Newton Loves Tacos, because I love cats and I love tacos. This is probably one of my most favorite sets, and I just was excited to use it. I did use this guy here, this little fun taco, and live every day like it's Taco Tuesday. And then I have all my dies in some die storage pockets I got off of Amazon, so they're easier for me to store and find. But I used the Land Borders die. I used this curvy one here just to add some interest to my card. And then I used the Flags and Frames dies. This is a good versatile die set and like an essential one, like you just need it in your stash because it's just awesome. So I used those, and then I used some paper from this paper pad, which is A Cat's Life. It's a super fun paper pad. Lots of cute designs, but also lots of like patterns that aren't necessarily, I don't even know what the words are, but they're very versatile. Like you have this yellow that you could put with anything, and yeah, it's a super great paper pad. And so the card that I created is this one, Live Every Day Like It's Taco Tuesday. There's Newton eating his taco, and then these fun little cat tacos. There's that land border die that I talked about. Used that frames and flags die for this part. And then that fun paper. And then on the inside, I just stamped Newton again, and I added a couple little banners. So I thought it turned out adorable. And like I said, I am beyond excited to be joining this challenge team. And I can't wait to share lots more creations using Newton's Nook. And I hope that you will take a look at the shop and maybe pick a few things up so that you can join us on the challenge. Alrighty then, I will be back soon with another video. Until then, go do something crafty and do something for yourself. Bye.